Hi, Dog Lover 101 here. So yet again I'm in my romper because I'm filming this right after I did the video on the Barbie doll from the Barbie and the Nutcracker, the snowflake fairy. I finally figured out the stand. It was a bit annoying to put together. So Smokey's here yet again. And today I'm going to be opening up the Royal Wedding Descendants 3 Ben and Mal 2-pack. This is the one of her in her wedding dress. There's also another one you can get where I think her dress is a bit shorter with Ben. And I think the Ben must have something different about him compared to this one. Then you can also get her in like a bridesmaid dress or whatever kind of dress it is. Maybe an after party dress. Anyhow, I'm going to be opening it up now. And I haven't opened up these dolls in a while since I haven't got too many Descendants dolls. And the ones I do have I got before I had my YouTube channel up. And I actually did have a YouTube channel before. If you want to see about, I don't know, is it 3 years or 4 years ago? I had one. Hey, Smokey. Yeah. And so if you search Dog Lover 101 blind bag opening, you might be able to find it. So here's the back of the box. I'm not going to read it because nobody really cares. And if you want to see more professional opening of it, just look up another YouTube channel because my videos are not professional. I'm an amateur for this kind of thing. And these two do not come with stands. And I'm pretty sure it was $50 for the two of them, so $25 a doll Canadian. I'm talking Canadian dollar. And that snowflake fairy from the Nutcracker, I got her for $25 off of Etsy, and I bought a few other things so I'd get free shipping. I gotta love buying more things to get free shipping. Anyhow, let's see. Try and open this a different way. So I'm being very careful not to cut her hair. And now you see why I normally just open it the other way. Yeah, her dress is really cute. And she does have a ring, which you want to be very careful not to lose. That's a note to myself, because I'll probably end up losing it. Where else does she have things? So she had like tape on her dress. Hey, smokers! Smokey! I almost got her. And one more of these things. So these dolls, oh, I think there's another one I missed. These dolls are a bit annoying to get out of the box, but she just lost her shoes. But not as annoying as some other dolls. Like, I find the rainbow high dolls a lot more annoying to open than these ones. Yeah, Smokey, I'm filming. And with this 2-pack, Ben doesn't have a crown, and most of his dolls I thought had a crown. Or maybe I'm just thinking that because the one with the old face screening I have actually had a crown, which was the original release Ben. So here's the cute wedding background. Sorry my hair is so long. I'm waiting to get a haircut because it's a bit annoying to take care of hair when it's this long. So I'm going to start off with Ben, since I have him in my hands now. So he's got sculpted on hair, which is dark brown with light brown highlights. He's got thick eyebrows, light skin, and he's got no makeup on. He's got this tux on, and it's just printed on with buttons, and it's one piece. It's navy blue, I want to say. And his screening's not too different from the other doll screening. So he's got this all printed on, a printed on bow tie that's gold with a printed on white undershirt that's not actually a separate piece. He's got some gold going on here. Oh, there's the beast there, the beast symbol, because he's Beauty and the Beast's son. Then he's got like plain pants. Nothing too special. Then he has on black shoes, like dress shoes. Now the thing with Ben, I don't get why he doesn't have a ring on. Because, I mean, they're getting married. He should have a ring on. But that's just my personal opinion. I mean, Mal got a ring. And now we're on to Mal. She's got a different screening from the first one. So she's got this nice purple, bluish, indigo-ish hair color with light purple hair highlights. Then she's got a big veil, which the annoying thing is those little plastic pieces are right attached to the veil, so I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but she got a few holes in them from it. She's got a little crown. Her makeup is very subtle, which I like, because I don't wear makeup. And it's nice and pink. She's got light pink, and then her green eyes going on there. Her eyes look almost hazel here. I thought they were more green in the show. I might have to rewatch it. But it's just sad that Cameron Boyce is dead. Then she's got tulle on her dress here, I think is what that material's called. That's see-through. With like a fake pleather looking material for the sleeves and right here. And it's a ball gown that she has. And then it's got dark purple with light purple. A really light purple that almost looks white. It's a lot lighter in person than on camera. She's got some cardboard flowers that, honestly, probably most people will throw out. I'm one of those. Then she's got her ring. Again, Ben should have a ring. So it's a nice big purple stone. And this one, it is attached to her. That way it's easy to stay on, because if it was like Nephra's from Monster High where everybody lost the ring, that wouldn't be good. And underneath, her shoes are a nice gold color, and they're a reused one. So a lot of the Mal dolls actually have these shoes. I think her, is it Coronation one? No. Maybe? There is Mal with her hair up, and then she comes with a wand and all that. Then she had a ring with it. I can't think of the name of it right now. But yeah, that's what those shoes are from. Plus another 2-pack had them. So it's reused quite a bit. And I forgot to mention, these dolls do have articulation. So they bend at the knees. They can't bend at the ankle. They bend at their elbow, their wrist. Their head can go side to side. Not, well, it goes kind of down, then up. Yep. And it can go side to side and whatnot. And it's a bit stiff at her waist, but she can sit down. Probably because she's been in the box for who knows how long. Yeah, Smokey, I hear you. Then Ben has about the same articulation, only the difference is I think he actually does bend at the ankle. Smokey loves being in my videos. So that is it for my review on Ben and Mal, the 2-pack for the royal wedding. So please like this video with a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more of my weirdness and my kitty cat Smokey. Bye!